Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics with Safdar. Now you are watching IGCSE Physics Free Lesson Series. So let's begin the lesson of the day. When you look around us, different type of object we see. Like we see houses, buildings, trees. One thing is common, they are stationary or they do not move. Some other objects like a car, motorbike, flying aeroplane, these are the examples of the moving objects. So today is the lesson about the moving objects. So look at this screen. What do you see? You can see there different objects on the road. They are in motion. But the one thing between them, they are not moving same. Some objects are moving faster than the other. So to describe the situation, we use a word that is called speed. So this is the topic of the day. Speed actually describes how fast an object is moving. If an object moves faster, it covers more distance in the shorter time. Keep watching the next slides. Speed is the property of the moving objects only, and speed describes how fast an object is moving. And when objects move, then what happens? Look at this diagram. Like a man is running from point A to point B. He covers some distance and takes some time. If you want to calculate the speed of the person, then you need an equation, and that is a speed equation. You need distance traveled by the object and time taken. The short form for speed we use v, for distance d, and for time t. For the measurement of speed, the unit is used meter per second, that is the SI unit. Some other units are centimeter per second, kilometers per hour. Now you will see how to calculate the speed of the moving objects. Look at this example. A sprinter at position A start his race and finished at point B. He covered distance 100 meter and takes time 60 seconds for that. If you want to calculate the speed, then first you need to write what informations we have. Like we have distance covered by the sprinter, that is 100 meter, time taken 60 seconds, and we need to calculate his speed. First you will write the speed equation, that is distance over time. Put the numbers. Distance is 100 meter, time is 60 seconds. Divide the numbers. Then you get 1.7 meter per second. Now this question will help you to understand the concept of the average speed. So let's start the question. A car travels along the route PQRS in 2 hours. What is the average speed of the car? Look at the journey. The car starts from point P, then moves to point Q and cover distance 10 km. Then Q to R cover 5 km. Then R to S 10 km and finally reach S to point T 5 km. So don't confuse with the shape what we have. If you want to calculate the average speed, you need to know two things only. Number one, what is the total distance covered during that journey? Like here, it is 30 km. How will you calculate this one? 10 plus 5, 15. 15 and 10 becomes 25 plus 5, that is 30 km. The second thing you need, the total time. And the total time the car used 2 hours. Now, move on to the calculation. First write the information given. Total distance covered 30 km. Time taken 2 hours. And you want to calculate average speed. Now you will write the equation of average speed, that is total distance covered divided by the total time. Put the numbers here. Total distance covered is 30 km. Total time taken 2 hours. Then you get 15 km per hour. So in this journey, the average speed of the car was 15 km in 1 hour. Now speed triangle. This is the easiest way to find unknown things in the numerical problems. When students solve numerical, they face a problem how to memorize the equation of different unknown quantities. So here you will find the solution of this problem. Now I will teach you how to use this speed triangle method. For example, if you want to calculate the speed in a problem, step 1, first you hide this speed, then two things are left, distance and time. You will follow this line as a symbol of division. So your speed becomes distance divided by time. So the equation for speed will be distance over time. Now if you want to calculate the time, the same method you will use. You will hide this time. Then two things are left, distance and speed, and they are joined with this line. And it shows division. So what will be the equation for the time? Time becomes distance divided by speed. If you want to calculate the distance, same method you will use, hide this one. Two things are left, speed and time, and they are connected with the symbol that is multiplication. So your equation will be speed into times for the distance. Thank you for listening. Keep watching this IGCSE lesson series. You will find all the things you need here. Lessons regarding with the theory, practical and past paper solution. See you in the next lesson. Share this video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon for the latest videos. Keep watching Physics with Safdar.